Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make banana, pineapple and custard tarts. So let's get started. For my mini tart shells, I've got here 2 1/4 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 100 grams of soft butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of cold water and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For my custard filling, I've got here 4 cups of full cream milk, half cup of vanilla custard powder, 2 bananas, 3/4 cups of raw sugar or you can use white sugar, and 1 can of pineapple chunks which I have drained. You will also need 1 or 2 muffin tins, a rolling pin, a fork, a round cutter, 2 sheets of baking paper and a cooking spray. To make the dough, take a big dish, add butter and powdered sugar and mix it using a spatula until combined. Take 1 teaspoon of cold water, add it to the egg and beat it using a fork. Add it to the dish and continue mixing it until combined. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give it a mix. Add half of the flour and mix it using a spatula until combined. Add remaining flour and mix it until it starts to come together. Use your hands and knead it until the dough is smooth. If the dough is dry, then you can add the remaining cold water. Wrap the dough with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Place the muffin tins upside down on the bench top and spray it with some cooking spray. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees for a fan-forced oven and 180 degrees for a conventional oven. After 10 minutes, take the dough out of the fridge and cut it in half. Place 1/2 of the dough between 2 sheets of baking paper and roll it until it is 3 to 4 mm in thickness. Use a 10 cm round cutter to cut the dough into circles and place it on the back of the muffin tin cups. Repeat this until you have finished rolling and cutting all the dough. You can always get the scraps together and roll it and cut it into round shapes. You should get around 15 to 17 tart shells depending on the thickness of the tart shells. Use a fork to prick the top of the tart shells. Bake it in a preheated oven for 12 to 14 minutes or until you get a light golden brown color. Take it out of the oven and let it cool for 2 minutes. Use something flat to remove the tart shells and put them on a tray. Let them cool down while we get the filling ready. Peel the bananas, thinly slice it, transfer it into a dish and put it aside. Take a pot, add custard powder and half cup of milk and mix it well using a whisk. Add sugar and remaining milk. Put it on medium heat, continue stirring it and cook it until it starts to boil. Add pineapple and bananas and give it a mix. Turn the heat off and remove it from the heat. Fill the tart shells with the custard filling and it is ready to serve. My banana and pineapple custard tarts are ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.